I found an interesting tender. And this is where the magic starts to begin. Let's say this is transportation services in Netherlands. I have here the basic information of the tender. The source is TenderNet and TED. It was published in two data sources simultaneously. We deduplicated the information. The deadline is still open, 18th of February. So I can look at the basic information. I already have the documents downloaded. We analyzed them already, which allows us to have a 2-minute summary generated automatically with our AI about the tender requirements. The objectives: minibuses for 9 to 19 passengers and touring cars. The budget 320,000, the award criteria, which is price and some cases, economic and financial capacity, insurance, previous experience in transporting groups of students, and so on, up to deliverables, tasks, technologies, the model, the delivery location, and even requirements regarding formatting, like how many pages and what forms are to be filled in. Also, we provide a chat where you can ask your own questions to Hermits regarding requirements from the standard. And even if we don't have the documents downloaded, maybe it is a restricted procedure, you can still upload your own documents here in the terms of reference, and then you will be able to summarize and analyze your own documents. This is a personal analysis done by Hermix only for you. It will appear here, done by us for your documents. Because we have 10 years all over Europe of historical information, we are also able to provide information about the history, the background of this tender. For instance, we have here the profile of the buyer, all the similar open tenders, past contracts awarded, who won similar relevant contracts. This is a company that won one contract. With one click, I can look at the company or the contract that they won. I see the geographic locations of the suppliers and the past relevant tenders, if any. The same example for, this is the Blue Data Warehouse for the European Maritime Safety Agency. This is in Portugal, in Lisbon. So I have, again, the clarification questions, the documents. The clarification questions are already classified with our artificial intelligence according to several criteria, such as references, technical capacities, or admin. I can download this information as an Excel, a PDF, including the list of clarifications. So here I have more information about the historical background of the tender. I have the top 5 winners of similar relevant contracts, like Axians, they won 4. So I can drill down into more details. Here I have information about all the 84 past suppliers of relevant similar type of tenders, both as a chart and as a list with number and value of the contracts won by each of these suppliers. I have here the geographical locations as a map, as a chart, or as a table of the previous suppliers, mostly obviously Portugal, Luxembourg, Spain. This is a European institution based in Lisbon. And I have here the list of past relevant contracts that might be relevant for this particular project. So I should look here to see, was there a lot of competition for the previous contracts? Who won them? Because we have the documents, we already have, again, the technical specifications already analyzed with our AI, like the budget, 2.5 million, the award criteria, 40% scenario, 30% quality for module 1, 30% for price, the economic and financial capacity, like 1 million euro turnover, going to references, experts, tasks, technologies, and formatting requirements, 15 pages, A4, Arial 14. And again, I can ask my own questions, such as what is the place of performance, or what type of CVs must be prepared, and what's the required experience for specific experts. So this was the analysis and the qualification of a particular tender.